accelerate at 0.5 kilometers per hour if she covers a total distance of 10 kilometers per hour, assuming she start at rest. How long has she been running? Unahan natin is wala na yung denominator or wala na yung sa baba. So, acceleration times time equals final velocity minus initial velocity over acceleration. And then, cancel natin yung dalawa, so maiwan yung t. So, t equals final velocity minus initial velocity over acceleration. Ang formula natin is time equals final velocity minus initial velocity over acceleration. Ang given natin is acceleration equals 0.5 kilometers per hour. And then, ang final velocity is 10 kilometers per hour. And then, ang initial velocity natin is 0 kilometers per hour. And then time, yun yung inahanap natin. So, 10 kilometers per hour per second. And then times 1,000 meters is equivalent to 1 kilometer. And then 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equivalent for 60 seconds. Parehas na unit like kilometer, hour, and minutes. So, is 2.7777777778 meters per second. Of course, our 0 kilometers per hour will turn to 0 meters per second. So, ang 0.5 kilometers per hour, i-convert natin siya to 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Parehas na unit like kilometer, hour, and minutes. So, our final answer is 0.1388888889 meters per second. Ang time natin is, ang final velocity natin is 2.77777778 meters minus 0 meters per second. Divide by 0.1388888889 meters per second. So our final answer will be 20 hours or 72,000 seconds.